Most people live their lives year by year. But what if I told you the secret to achieving your biggest goals is to stop thinking in 12-month years and start thinking in 12-week years? Hey Achievers! In this video, we're diving into the 12-week year by Brian Moran, a book that will flip your productivity mindset forever. Here's the truth: when we set yearly goals, what do most of us do? Yup, we procrastinate. We say, I have time. I'll start next month, maybe after my cousin's wedding. Suddenly, it's November and we've achieved nothing. Brian Moran says, forget the 12-month year. Think in 12-week sprints. Imagine this. Every 12 weeks is a fresh new year. That means 4 years in 1 calendar year. And that means 4 chances to win. Why does this work? Because 12 weeks is short enough to stay focused, and long enough to make real progress. Most people plan too much and execute too little. The 12-week year flips the script. Instead of a boring 20-page plan, you make a simple weekly execution plan with just 2 questions. 1. What's the one goal I want in 12 weeks? 2. What 2 to 3 actions must I do every week to get there? Let's say your goal is to lose 5 kilograms in 12 weeks. Your weekly plan might look like: 1. Exercise 4x a week. 2. Eat under 1800 calories. 3. Sleep 7+ hours daily. That's it. Clear, actionable, measurable. Now here's the genius part. Every week, you score yourself. If you had 5 key actions and did 4 of them, your score is 80%. Brian says if you hit 85% and above consistently, you're on track to crush your goals. This keeps you accountable. No hiding, no excuses, just progress. The 12-week year is built on 3 pillars. 1. Vision. Know why your goal matters. 2. Focus. Only work on high-impact actions. 3. Control, review and adjust weekly. Your vision gives you purpose. Your plan gives you clarity. Your score gives you feedback. Imagine where you'd be if every 12 weeks, you crushed a major goal. In 1 year, you'd have 4 massive wins under your belt. Lose weight, launch a side hustle, improve relationships, read 12 books. This is not about working harder. It's about working smarter and faster, with intention. Want to transform your life, one 12-week sprint at a time? Then stop watching time fly, and start using it like a weapon. Hit like, subscribe, and drop a full score in the comments if you're ready to try the 12-week year.